Boy, Everett,
Daddy.
you're really helping Daddy.
Yeah.
That's a big pile of wood. We're gonna need it.
Thanks, Daddy.
Welcome.
Good throw, Everett. Watch your eyes, babe. Hey, Everett, can I see your face? Ooh, boy, yeah. Show me what you're throwing. That's wood? I think you got a bunch of soot on your face.
Thanks, Daddy.
Nice. Good job, buddy.
Very good job.
He's a great helper.
I got this.
That's a big one. You sure you got that?
That's awfully big. It's bigger than you. Everett, that wood was bigger than you.
Thanks, Daddy.
Y'all unloaded that whole truck. Hey, Everett, is it your birthday today?
Yeah.
Or is it Mommy's birthday?
My birthday.
It's your birthday?
Hey, put that over there. Oh!
You have to send me right there, Daddy. Just send me.
Everett, put it over there. Ow!
Whoa!
Send me right there, Daddy.
Whoa.
It just send me right there.
You need to tell him to put it right there.
Put it over there, kid. Atta boy.
Nice job.
It just picked me. It just picked me out.
You have to take him out.
It just picked me out.
No, you tell Daddy you're going to take him out.
It took him out.
Okay, something like that.
You gonna take me out?
It just came right there.
Ooh.
I'm a pea right there, Daddy.
I need his face.
It's just the tummy pea right there.
You gonna get this big one?
Now,
There's still more wood coming, Everett. Oh, did you get a splinter?
Yes.
You gonna be all right? Oh, wow, that was a good throw.
Thank you.
That one's heavy.
I think he's ready. You done working, Everett?
You all done?
Let's wash your face.
Got some chips.
Oh. Something had ants. There's a whole bunch of them in the bed of the truck.
I want some chips, Mommy.
You bet. Let me see your face real quick. Hey, can you tell Mommy happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Are you going to sing it for me?
Happy birthday to Everett. Happy birthday to
Nice job. Thanks, babe.